Ready? Jump! Ano yun?
Hello mga kakules! I'm Teacher Chris. I've been living and teaching in Thailand for 16 years. Tubong Mindoro, lahing mangyan! Welcome to my channel!
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
C for cool. Hello mga kakules. Please subscribe and watch my vlogs. Anyway guys, we just finished our breakfast and we just did some Instagrammable photos. So ngayon, ang ating gagawin, ituturo kayo sa different beaches dito sa Koh Kood. Alam nyo po, ang mga beaches dito sa Koh Kood ay napakaganda. The water is so clear and the sand is really white and really soft. So, before namin gawin yon, we are going to jump off the diving board. Wait, Daddy, wait. So, this is actually very fun. So, if you stay here in Koh Kood, lahat po ng mga, almost all the resorts here on the beach, they have their own mini piers that you can jump. So, ayan. Which is gagawin namin ngayon kasi ang saya-saya lang. Live your life, live your life. See for cool. Okay, so let's start. Woohoo! Ang ganda talaga ng Koh Kood. Ayan po ang paligid namin. Ngayon po ay medyo maaga pa kaya hindi pa siya masyadong sunny. Ngayon po ay 8 o'clock pa lang ng umaga. So, who's next? Billy Boy. Ano yun? Talo na pang ano, bading? Bakit ganun? Okay, next is my sister, Jackie. Just hold your breath. 1. Go! Go! Buso, go! Very good!
Show me the ladder.
You can do it. So ay mga kules, nakatalo na po ang 3 kupal. So ayan guys, oh. This is life. Don't forget to enjoy every once in a while. Ayan po sila.
Fail, go. Don't laugh, don't laugh. You're gonna swallow water. You're not tired.
All in the mind.
It's all in the mind. You're almost there. There you go. Wait, ready, go.
May matulis ha. Matulis mo. Wala. Matulis mo. Now. Tanong ka pa. Nakakapagod.
Congratulations, Jackie! Your first jump!
Grabe, nakakapagod.
I love you. Be careful. Hello mga kakules! Woo! Hi mga kakules! It feels so good!
Water feels awful.
Whoa! Let's do it again!
So why is it so hard to let you go?
So this is it mga kakules. This is our first beach tour para sa inyo. Naandito po tayo ngayon sa Auprao Beach. We stayed here last November. So eto siya. Napakaganda. Again guys, in Koh Kood, all the beaches are all nice, white, soft sand, and of course, pristine, crystal clear water. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo guys, ang sarap tumalon. Ito talaga yung ano living the life. Living the life. Living the life. Woo! Maya-maya lang guys, itatry namin drone shot. So, enjoy the view mga ka-coolest.
There you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? There you go.
Yan mga ka-coolest, medyo overcast lang siya ngayon, medyo kumilimlim. Hopefully maya-maya sumikat si Haring Araw. But still mga ka-coolest, as you can see, kahit hindi siya sunny, napakaganda pa rin talaga ng mga beaches dito sa Koh Kood. This is Ayaw Beach! Woohoo!
So why is it so hard to let you go?
This is our second beach. The first one was Ayaw Beach. Now we are going to Pahinsay Beach. Say hi mga ka-coolest! Kung nakikita nyo, medyo masukal ang ating dinadaanan. It's very narrow, but you know what? It's worth the trek. Kasi bubungad sa atin ang napakagandang beach! So mga ka-coolest, ito po ay ating second beach for today. So kanina po, medyo makulimlim nung naandun tayo sa Ayaw Beach kasi medyo overcast. Natatakluban ng mga ulap yung sun. Ngayon, sumikat na uli siya kaya ang ganda-ganda nakikita nyo. This is Paihin Beach. Ayan. Dito kasi guys, if you want to see all the beaches in Koh Kood, you have to rent a bike. Sometimes you can rent it at your resort, 300 baht. Or pwede naman dun sa parang tabi-tabi lang, 250 baht a day. So ayun po. And then mag-ano lang kayo, yung stroll. Do it yourself, kumbaga. So usually kasi, yung mga beaches dito sa Koh Kood, hindi mo siya makikita. Kailangan pumunta talaga kayo sa resort. And you just follow the trail. So eto guys, Paihin Beach. Ang ganda oh. Ang linaw ng tubig oh. Nakikita nyo? And look at the view. Talagang you are the coolest and the nicest island in Thailand. So ayun guys, again, kailangan natin ng air shot. So, tara!
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times.
So mga coolest, we are on the way to Klonghin Beach. So ito po yung resort nila.
Mama told me before you leave, if there's only
So mga kakulis, another beach in paradise. Ito po ay ang aming third beach tour. This beach is Klonghin Beach. Ayan po. Nakikita nyo naman. Another gem of Koh Kood. It's very stunning, very pretty. Talagang hands down ako sa lahat ng beaches dito sa Koh Kood. Lahat magaganda, lahat crystal clear, ang water pristine, lahat white, soft sand. So, wala. Living the dream again. So, this is it mga kules. Itutur ko kayo. Ito po, nakikita nyo. Ayan. Yan guys. Siyempre pa, tatakbo-takbo ako. Pax, pax. So, sana guys, kapag nakaipon kayo, come visit Koh Kood kasi hindi kayo mabibigo. Napakagandang isla.
And of course, everywhere we go, dapat maging responsible tourist tayo. Huwag masyadong makalat at mag-iwan ng basura sa mga lugar na pupuntahan natin. It is 12 o'clock noon. So, ready na po kami mag-lunch. And then after this, another beach na naman. At papakita ko sa inyo, of course. So, please continue watching this vlog. C for cool.
One thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon.
1, 2, 3. That's it mga kakules! Please don't forget to hit like, comment down below, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Look at the beach! Ang saya-saya, ang ganda-ganda. Oh, one more. You too, Daddy. You too. Go. Go. Oh, basta. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Woo! Please don't forget to subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.
And comment. Comment down below, mga kakules.
Tell her how much.
Thank you for watching.